Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yvette Quale. I like to create craft tutorials for beadwork, junk journaling, paper crafting, and more. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few projects that I made using a digital kit from Mindful Image Printables on Etsy. I'll put a link in the description box to her shop, and this is her little logo there. And the kit has little mirrors with pictures of different fashionista women in it, and so I made them in several sizes, as you can see here. Printed them off and just made them in different sizes, and then I'll show you here what I've done with them. These images are all really unique and pretty, and I think there's a lot of different things that you could do with it. So if you didn't want to use the handle part of the mirror, you could just cut it out along here and use that portion. So as we look at the different images here, you can see they're all a little different. Each mirror is different. Each lady's a little bit different. So let's go ahead and look at the projects that I created with this. I have 3 projects I'd like to share with you. And I was going to do a tutorial, but these are pretty self-explanatory, and I do have a tutorial on making the little dangle thing here. So I'll link that video as well. So let's look at the first one. I printed that out small, just covered it on the back with some cardstock. Used my crocodile to punch 2 grommets in there, rivets, whatever they're called, grommets I think. And then at the bottom it's got 3 little dangles there. So this would be really cute hanging on the spine of a journal, or on a journal page, or on a journal element inside. So it's not too thick. And because this is just paper on cardstock, it's not too thick, to be on the page. So there's that one. The second thing that I created is a paper clip journal card. Now this is about, I would say, about 4 by 5, and then, I'm sorry, 3 by 4. And then I did put these little pink dots around just with a pin. So this was a mirror, and I just cut out that upper portion of it. And then I put it on a piece of cardstock here. And then on the back, I have a place where you can journal. And then I just did this to make a little paper clip. And then all around the perimeter, you can see on both sides, I have some beadwork. So I just punched holes and then just came up and put some beads on and went down and did the same thing. And then down here, I made a little dangle. So I just came out of those beads and made some dangles and then put a little button on there. So I like how that one turned out, and that pretty much on the page looks like a whole page element there, but it clips onto the page. So let me grab a paper here. So yeah, when it's clipped onto the page, if I can get it on there, it's going to sit on your journal page like this. Okay, and then the next thing that I did was I made a journal plate, I'm calling this, because this is about 5 by 7, and then I covered it in a paper from nevermorecreation17.com. It's one of her paper packs, and I thought it kind of coordinated well with the cardstock that I had over here. So I went ahead and did that. I put some pearls all around the edge, and this one of course has the handle. I put a little bling on here, decorated up the corner, and this is on a chipboard base. So I put the paper on, wrapped it around, put the trim on, and then on the back it's just I like to finish my things off. Even though this is going to be glued down onto the cover of the journal, I do like to finish the back. So the idea of this is you would have a journal cover. We're going to pretend this tea-dyed paper is a journal cover, and then this would just go on top of it. So this is 5 by 7, so a 9 by 8 journal will give a little bit of border all the way around it. So there are my 3 projects. Again, that is Mindful Image Printables on Etsy. And again, I'll link that in the description box. And hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I'm looking forward to doing a update video here shortly on the items that I'll have available in my Etsy shop. So I hope you join me over there, and subscribe, like, comment, all those good things. Give it a thumbs up, and I thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.